academy. A lot of performing arts can be franchised.
So it is impactable, वो impact कर सकते हैं.
हाँ, पर उस फॉर्मेट में नहीं कर सकते हैं जो वो खुद करता था. उसको उसमें स्केल डाउन करके उस फॉर्मेट में लाया कि सब कर सकते हैं. तो वहां पर भी एक डिफरेंस होता है, राइट? सो replicable operations. There has to be long term demand. अब कोई चीज आज की तारीख में कोई फैड है, कोई चीज चल रही है, तो जरूरी नहीं है कि आप उसको फ्रेंचाइज कर लो, क्योंकि अब डिमांड में है. ये थोड़े टाइम के लिए ये चलेगा. हमको पता होता है कि कुछ चीजें कुछ टाइम के लिए चलेगी, बहुत अच्छी डिमांड है, उसको फ्रेंचाइज कर लो. Has to have long-term demand. Franchising is a long-term game. It's not a short-term game. There's too much energy, resources, effort that goes into building a franchise, and you don't want to, just do it if it's a fad. So what are the signs that you are franchise ready? आपने ये तो समझ लिया है कि कब franchise करना है, but what are the signs that you should look at? In terms of, yes, I am franchise ready. Like I said, अपने पास कोई प्रॉफिटेबल प्रोटोटाइप होना चाहिए. कितने यूनिट्स सफिशिएंट होते हैं फ्रेंचाइजिंग के लिए? ये मेरे को बहुत लोग पूछते हैं कि मेरे पास में एक प्रॉफिटेबल यूनिट है, 3 प्रॉफिटेबल यूनिट है, 10 प्रॉफिटेबल ऑपरेशंस है, 10 शोरूम्स है, 10 आउटलेट्स है, 10 एजुकेशन सेंटर्स है, क्या मैं अभी फ्रेंचाइज स्टार्ट करूं? काफी लोग मेरे को ये भी पूछते हैं कि मेरे पास एक भी नहीं है, मैं खुद मैन्युफैक्चर कर रहा हूं, लेकिन मेरे पास में एक स्टोर नहीं है, पर मेरे पास में बहुत सारे रिटेलर्स हैं जिसके पास मेरा माल बिकता है और मेरे को पता है कि एक स्टोर के अंदर मेरा माल बहुत अच्छे से बिकेगा. सो वी टेल देम दैट एक प्रॉफिटेबल प्रोटोटाइप बनाइए, उसको सक्सेसफुल करिए. ऑन एन एवरेज 3 stores is a good example. 3 stores in 3 different markets. 3 different markets. Okay? So do not just go by, one store is ready and सब ठीक है. अगर हो सकता है 3 is good, but 1 is a bare minimum. Is a bare minimum. Don't start franchising without a prototype. Don't think. A lot of franchisors, we've also done this in the past, operate through close partners or close associates or close known people who are ready to work with them for the first store. That's also okay, as far as you have a good working relationship with them and can operate like a company operates. Then it's okay. Then you can have, the idea is to have one replicable model. And the last thing, and not the least, is to have a leadership mindset. See, franchising में ये नहीं होता है कि मैंने आपको सिखा दिया, आप कर लो. आपको कराना पड़ेगा. It is your responsibility to get the franchisees to do the things that you are expecting them to do. You can't just leave it away to them. You have to have that leadership mindset of mentoring, coaching, hand-holding the franchises. Only then it works. You can't just give it away and say, "Aap kar lo." Doesn't work that way. It's a big mistake that most franchises do. You can take the franchising quiz on sparkleminds.com. Sparkleminds.com पे जब आप जाओगे, तो वहाँ पे फर्स्ट होम पेज पे ही एक फ्रेंचाइज क्विज का बटन है. वहां पे आप क्विज दोगे तो आपको स्कोर मिल जाएगा. उस स्कोर से आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि आप फ्रेंचाइज रेडी हो नहीं, आप कर सकते हो नहीं कर सकते. या यस. So what we generally do, if you are a manufacturer, also, most franchisees have designated territories for themselves. So you don't appoint another franchise secretary. There is no conflict. You have to manage conflict of interest perfectly during franchising. So if the franchisee doesn't deal, the company will have to. फ्रेंचाइजी इतना कर लेगा, हम इतना कर लेंगे, एंड एक ही मार्केट में काम करेंगे. यहाँ पे भी बहुत कंफ्यूजन है. हर बिजनेस का एक सिस्टम है कि आप फ्रेंचाइजी को कैसे डीमार्केट करते हो, और वो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट डिसीजन होता है ड्यूरिंग योर फ्रेंचाइज मॉडलिंग के आप अपना पूरा कंट्री को कैसे कैप्चर करेंगे? तो आप पूरा कंट्री को देखते हो, पूरा ग्लोब को देखते हो अगर आपका ग्लोबल सर्विस है, और उसको फिर छोटे पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करते हो और फिर टेरिटरी मैपिंग करते हो और फिर बोलते हो कि ये टेरिटरी मेरे बिजनेस के लिए एक साइजेबल टेरिटरी है जिससे there are many ways of doing that.
In case of service industry,
Yes.
online,
Yeah.
so how to like demarcate the area?
Yes. Online e-commerce service businesses, we do a lot of these franchises as well, and there's a definitive way to be able to operate franchises through an online system. I'm going to come to all of that.
The ingredient of the humanity benefits themselves, and then they
Yeah. So we use a formula called creating dependability. Okay. And there are 100 things that you do while franchising your business, in which the model is developed in such a way that there is lot of dependability built. Not because you're scared that they'll run away with your business, but because you become a corporate and you become a larger organization giving so much support to the franchisees that they don't leave you. Right? So it's a very different approach. I always tell this, McDonald's doesn't make the best burgers in the world. Anybody can make a burger. But it's the McDonald's system that not everybody can make. That's a very important thing to do. It's a system that you create that makes you successful. Okay? So don't be too worried. You know कि franchisee मेरा ये चोरी कर लेगा, ये ले लेगा, मैं अपना business को franchise नहीं करूँगा. We've lost millions of businesses in this country run by brilliant individual entrepreneurs who were very good in their local territories, geographies, but did not go beyond their area, beyond their city, beyond their location because they were not exposed to this. We should not be worried about that. I always tell a lot of entrepreneurs who have this worry that don't be worried that somebody will take away your business. Nobody can.
So, like for example, you are divided a zone territorial wise, and even that's growing. Right? We are given one franchise, that's growing. I know that territory has a potential of high demands. So if I end up starting a new franchisee, that's a conflict for them. So how can I divide that territory?
Sub-franchise.
Yeah. So, when we do territory mapping, when we do scaling up of businesses, now this is the biggest problem that entrepreneurs have. They're so excited about giving away a franchise that they give away a large territory. Smart entrepreneurs will come and sit down on the table with you and they'll say, मेरे को ये लोकेशन नहीं, मेरे को पूरा सिटी चाहिए. और क्योंकि आपको स्टार्ट करना होता है, आप पूरा सिटी दे देते हैं. राइट? फिर वो उसमें मार्केट पकड़ के बैठेंगे. You have to wait for the agreement period to get over to be able to go to the next set of franchises. Or if you work, if you understand franchising from day one, then you will demarcate small areas and come what may, you will not give those areas until and unless there is some results coming from the smaller area that you give. Territorial mapping is a very critical aspect of franchise modeling. You have to do it correctly from the word go. And we tell every franchisor that we work with that we don't think that you're going to be making 1 or 2 franchises. You're going to be making 500 franchises, or maybe 100 franchises, or maybe 10,000 franchises, depending on what product or service you're doing, and how many of them will be needed to capture that product. It really depends on that, right? So take the franchise quiz, you'll get. So these are the challenges. You are all talking of the challenges that you will be facing, and you're already preempting the difficulties and the problems that we may have with franchising. So what are the challenges? Somebody said he'll steal away my recipe. Somebody said, there are different challenges, right? So I'm talking about the different problems that we can have if you don't franchise correctly. Okay, number 1. This is the most common thing that happens. And it's not the problem of the franchisee, it's the problem of the franchisor, which is you, who's franchising your business. Is you've let the franchisee damage your brand. You've not worked on your franchising in such a way that franchisees will not damage your brand, right? Second thing is steal your IP. We just spoke about this. There's a certain way of ensuring that you control things and you manage things properly. Number 3, this is very peculiar to India. हमारे पास में कच्चा पक्का का बहुत बिजनेस है, उसको आप फ्रेंचाइजिंग में कैसे लेके आओगे? हमने बहुत सारे बिजनेसेस को इस प्रॉब्लम को भी सॉल्व एक तरीके से करवाया कि आप इसको इस तरह से मैनेज करो, बिकॉज एंड ऑफ द डे दैट यू आर कंपीटिंग विद द मार्केट में कच्चे का काम भी हो रहा है और आप उससे कंपीट ही नहीं कर पाओगे. So you have to be practical on how to do this. And a lot of businesses we say stop it because it's not worth it. If it's not worth it, don't do it. Just go 100% compliance. Right? But if it's important, heavy metals, a lot of industries where we've seen jewelry, etc., etc. A lot of cash component is still involved. There is a lot of underreporting. You fix up a certain royalty, you fix up a certain sharing percentage, and the franchisee doesn't disclose sales. उसमें क्या करोगे? Franchisee will run away with your, वो बोलेगा कि कर तो 10 लाख का सेल रहा है, but दिखा 1 लाख का, उसमें आप क्या करोगे? So that could be these issues at the ground level. Exactly. So today's day we have tech, we have so many other things, and this is a holistic approach. When we go individual businesses, we go into every component of that business and understand how to plug that. And there is a proper way to do it. और कुछ चीजें अगर नहीं करनी है तो नहीं करनी है. You have to leave some things. Yeah.
Example, I raise 100%.
Yeah.
पर आगे का डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर और डीलर बोलता है मैं बिजली नहीं, मैं मुराद और मेरे बाजू वाले सब कर रहे हैं. I have no scope to get done, religiously following GST.
उसका भी एक सिस्टम है, हम इंडिविजुअली जब हम डिस्कस करेंगे, I will be able to tell you, not on a, we will be able to do that. Okay, the next thing is finding the right franchisees. Now this is again the crux of franchising your business. आप मन में तो आपका आइडियल फ्रेंचाइजी तो ये है, मेरे को ये चाहिए, फ्रेंचाइजी को ये करना चाहिए, बट क्या वो रियली मिलता है आपको? और मिल भी जाए तो क्या वो कर पाएगा? So you have to ensure that you are able to get the right franchisees, keep them attracted, getting the right kind of profiles for your business, and after you've got them, how will you motivate? How will you keep them motivated? वो कब तक आपके साथ काम करेगा? क्यों करेगा? So it's a complete ecosystem that you need to work on to be able to work on the challenges that you may face while franchising your businesses. What are the resources that we need to start franchising? काफी लोग मेरे को ये पूछते हैं कि मेरे को फ्रेंचाइज करना है, बट मेरे को ये बताइए कि क्या रिसोर्सेज लगेंगे, मैं स्टार्टिंग कैसे करूं, कितने पैसे लगेंगे, कितने पैसों की मेरे को what do I need to do to be able to. So these are all the things that are required for you to really start franchising. You have to build additional resources, like you said, additional resources, additional capacity होगी तभी हम franchise दे पाएंगे. काफी businesses अपनी खुद की capacity fulfill नहीं कर पाते. तो how will they this thing? Documentation is very critical. You can't operate a franchise business without the right documentation, without the right set of SOPs. You need to be able to have a good team to run the business from a franchise model. I call this switching from running your business to becoming a franchisor. And most people avoid this particular facet. जैसे हम ही कर लेंगे, सब कुछ हम ही कर लेंगे, because उनको लगता है कि सैलरी क्यों देना चाहिए, एडिशनल सैलरीज कहाँ से देंगे. And then initially it is a good thing to be hands on and to do everything, but as you gradually grow, you have to have a proper team. You have to invest in technology, you have to invest in modern tools, you have to invest in marketing, you have to do everything that needs brand building and success for franchises. So how do you really start? How do you really start? That's a good good way to start. You can have us on board and we'll help you get started. Yeah.
How to choose the right franchise consultant? And what
Yes,
are the
sir,
points?
ये सबसे अहम
It was so right to cut.
How to choose the right franchise consultant?
basic question.
Very interesting question.
Because, sorry, I mentioned, because of the domain specific, because every doctor, sorry, every consultant is having a domain specific. I may apply a doctor. तो आपके इसमें कोई specific domain
ऐसा
specific
होता है कि ये फ्रेंचाइजी कंसल्टेंट उसका फूड में अच्छा ग्रिप है kind of।
जो छोटे कंसल्टेंट्स होते हैं ना, तो काफी सारे आप इंडिविजुअल कंसल्टेंट्स, किसी ने फूड की फ्रेंचाइजिंग की हुई होती है, कहीं पे वो 10 साल फूड की फ्रेंचाइजिंग में काम करता है और वो कंसल्टेंट बन जाता है, तो वो फूड एक्सपर्ट है, कहीं पे कोई रिटेल में एक्सपर्ट है, कहीं पे कोई एजुकेशन में एक्सपर्ट है, तो वो आपको इंडिविजुअल, वो लोग मैनेजर लेवल का एक्सपीरियंस उनको होता है, क्योंकि हम इतने सालों से कर रहे हैं, तो हमारे पास में क्रॉस इंडस्ट्री एक्सपर्टीज है, वी स्पेशलाइज इन न्यू इंडस्ट्रीज, एनीथिंग व्हिच इज न्यू. You'll see that again in the coming slides as to why it's important to have cross-industry experience to be able to get the best practices of different industries in your domain, in your
अच्छा कोई यहाँ का कोई अच्छी प्रैक्टिस है वो ये बिजनेस में भी
exactly.
So,
Exactly. It really works very well, and there are so many things that we tell different companies that वो लोग ये use कर रहे हैं उस industry में, आप क्यों नहीं use कर सकते? And that's how we are able to build the first model. Over the years, we have been amongst the first model builders for most industries in India. And choosing the right franchise consultant, go and do a little bit of reviews. आप थोड़ा सा उनके बारे में reviews पढ़िए, research करिए, आपको बहुत सारे आंसर्स वहाँ पे मिलेंगे. That will give you the right understanding. Plus आप जब मिलते हो, तो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि किसकी क्या expertise है, वो आपको वो solution दे पाएगा क्या जो आप चाहते हो. Number one. Number two, you'll also have to look at the bandwidth that consultant has, in terms of what all can they really give you, and then work with people who you think can work for you. Every person will have their own individual requirement, and you have to choose according to what the requirement. But the reputation, the reviews, the commitment to what is going to be delivered is critical. Search that. You'll understand when you speak about, and most entrepreneurs are very intelligent. You know, we get hundreds of entrepreneurs researching, different consultants coming to us with different questions all the time, and we tell them, please go do deeper research, because the deeper you research, you'll understand whom to work with, because this is a one-time decision. Once you have the right consultant on board, your journey is, otherwise you're only navigating challenges with the consultant. You don't want to do that.
Franchise consultant is also a better knowledge of the MLM, because in this all four, MLM is not there. Network marketing. So you have registered agency,
Yes,
and all,
yes,
but
yes.
MLM was not there.
Yes, we've done work for MLM as well, and MLM also is another way of channel distribution, right? And there are different layers of intermediaries in between through which the revenues are flowing, through which sales are happening. It's another format. So all of that is easy.
But government is restricting MLM from.
There are some restrictions. Yes, but still MLM operates in India.
Sir, I have a question regarding resources needed.
Yeah.
So we are from solar EPC.
Yes.
We have good turnover on paper.
Yes.
But do we necessary that we have some lavish office? I have to use lavish stuff so that people get impressed by it. Is it necessary?
No, not really. Not really. It's important to have a reasonable, outlook to be able to demonstrate to a franchisee. We worked with a solar company very recently. Okay? They're doing very well in their space. Okay? And when an entrepreneur comes to you and speaks to you, he should be convinced that yes, when I take your franchisee, I will make money, and these guys look like they're going to stay. Right? It's not about being flashy. It's not about being, having a Rolls Royce or things like that. That's not what is important. What is important is giving the right kind of messaging to your franchise partner that this is what I want from you, and getting there. Yeah.
How is a channel partner different from a franchise?
I did that. Were you there in the beginning of the session? You can do it. Yeah. You did that in the beginning, but I'll speak to you after that. Yeah. So how do you really start?
How to take an appointment of yours after this session?
Yeah, we can sit after the session. You can talk to Varsha, and we can she'll set up one-to-one slots with me. I have one-to-one meeting slots that she will book, and you can connect with Varsha and she will help you. do that. Yeah.
Discussing the models to go forward.
It is somewhere. It is there, honestly.
A very small level company can afford it.
Oh, in fact, 90% of my clients are small individual entrepreneurs from Pani Puri stalls to everywhere. 90% of my clients are SMEs, small businesses. हाँ बिल्कुल. I'm aware of you recording me, and
So,
बढ़ाने की चाह होनी चाहिए.
but that is what he said that about one is the industrial market, one is the FMCG, one is like service industry. So which one is that you have expertise that this is one of the
I will show you. मतलब आप थक जाओगे और बोलोगे बस इतना ये हो गया 25 days. So okay, number one, you must go through a professional franchise development program. What we do is run you through 200 questions. This is the real diagnostic test that is very critical for any company to franchise. Once you run through the 200 questions that we give you, you will start understanding आपके पास कितनी preparation है, कितनी करनी है, कितनी चीज़ आपको पता है. और बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ ये होती है कि फाउंडर्स के दिमाग में सब कुछ होता है, उसको पेपर पे लाना होता है, उसको डॉक्यूमेंटेशन में लाना होता है. And that's what we try and do. Okay? Yeah.
Franchisee might be with giants like Adani or Birla Corp.
Actually no, because उनके जो एग्रीमेंट्स होते हैं वो वन साइडेड होते हैं, और जब आपने साइन किया वो एग्रीमेंट,
अगर वो पहले कंपटीशन में लेट्स से भी इन कॉपर पाइप भी आ गया और बिरला कॉपर, तो वो तो अपना उनकी जो ताकत हम टच नहीं कर सकते, और मैं ये फ्रेंचाइजी मॉडल पे चलता हूँ. Can you fight and survive against this?
no, so I told you this. You can only operate a franchise model if your business is profitable. Okay? So if you've created a niche,
Yes.
if you've created your own marketplace amongst competition,
Yes.
and you know that this niche is going to stand against the bigger competitors,
Yes.
you can. But if you think you can't compete with the big guys, don't even try it.
No, we have a USP.
Exactly. So that's the answer. If you're already operating this business, somebody spoke to me yesterday, said they are in the financial services space. But the biggest giants of India are in the financial services space. You will have your own mission, you will have your own USP, right? And that's why you want to franchise. You're doing something successfully yourself. And you know that, okay, this is going to work in other markets as well. And hence, you use that USP to be able to operate in franchise business. So, always कहाँ से start करना है? जहाँ ये भी एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन होता है कि मैं कहाँ से स्टार्ट करूँ? Where can I give my franchise? Enquiries यहाँ से आ रही है, यहाँ से आ रही है, मैं कहाँ करूँ? क्या करूँ? That's important. Okay? A very important thing is to know कि कितने स्पीड में जाना है. हमारे पास में काफी बिजनेसेस आते हैं, मेरे पास में 500 इंक्वायरीज रेडी पड़ी है, मेरे को फ्रेंचाइज करना है. I have 500 inquiries. How I need to start franchising. I have 20 guys ready to give me checks. I mean, how will you be able to support that? आप कैसे उनको सपोर्ट करोगे? So you have to put your ecosystem in place. You have to ensure that सारी चीजें रेडी हो, और जैसे जैसे आप तैयार होते चले जाओगे, वैसे वैसे आपको फ्रेंचाइजी को भी ऑन बोर्ड लाना है. ऐसा नहीं कि हमको फ्रेंचाइजी मिल रही है तो हम ले लेते. It's going to be a suicidal attempt, I would say. A lot of companies have folded because of this problem. They become suddenly popular. We had a lot of Shark Tank brands which reach out to us. Suddenly Shark Tank के अंदर जब वो आते हैं, उनके पास इंक्वायरीज बहुत आने लग जाती हैं, और फिर बोलते हैं कि मेरे को ये करना पड़ेगा. We work with a couple of those brands. Tell them you have to pace it. Very important to pace it. Okay? Of course, you have to build a team that can work on your franchising. How much time does it take? ये भी एक magic wand. सब लोग बोलते हैं मेरे को 500 फ्रेंचाइजी बनानी है, 100 फ्रेंचाइजी बनानी है, 50 फ्रेंचाइजी बनानी है, 10 फ्रेंचाइजी बनानी है. कितने टाइम में बनेंगे? क्या मैं 200 फ्रेंचाइजी 500 फ्रेंचाइजी 12 महीने में बना दूंगा? क्या मैं कर सकता हूँ? It does depend on the business. It really depends on what kind of a business you are, what resources you have, what kind of a company you are, and then average average timeline to start franchising is 3 months from when you start the exercise. From the day you go, you take 3 months to start franchising. Of course, you have to work with experts. Don't do the same mistakes. Why reinvent the wheel? आप eventually franchising को कर लोगे, but आपको 5 साल लग जाएंगे. So don't reinvent the wheel. Don't waste your time. Work with the experts, and do it right the first time. Do it right the first time. Friend, आज से 20 साल पहले मैंने प्री स्कूल इंडस्ट्री में काम किया था, और जब हम प्री स्कूल इंडस्ट्री के मॉडल्स बनाते थे वहां पे हम कितने भी मिस्टेक कर सकते थे. आज अगर आप प्री स्कूल इंडस्ट्री के फ्रेंचाइज मॉडल बनाओगे, आपके पास मिस्टेक करने you don't have the space, you can't do a mistake. The market will not accept you. That time is gone. So if you've got the time on hand, use that time and do it diligently. Somebody here wanted FOFO, FIFO. ये क्या है? Types of franchises, correct? So anybody, what is FOFO, FIFO?
Franchisee owned, company operated.
Yeah.
Franchisee owned, franchisee operated, company operated.
Correct.
Franchisee investor, company investor.
Right? So this is franchisee owned, franchisee operated. It's best for companies who are seeking entrepreneurs who are going to work on the ground. You need the entrepreneur to be involved in your process, in your business model. This works best. If you want, if you're worried about your operation, you want to hold it tightly, then you hold the entire operations in your hand and give out the franchisee to a franchisee owner. So you don't let the operations go to the franchisee's hand. And then finally, the FICO model is the investor model, where you take a part of money and give them assured returns. So these are the 3 common models that are generally used. There are many more. Yeah, this is the question that most of the audience is asking. This is alright, but मेरा business franchise हो सकता है? क्या मेरा business मैं franchise कर सकता हूँ? Okay, so you franchise almost all kinds of business. I'll quickly run you through some examples. That's a brand called Zeroberg. This is the brand name of Nepal. All kinds of construction, marketing material. We just worked for a company called Curio Casa. They are into decor and artifacts. Then we worked with a company called Window Passions. They only do blinds. Look at the Oberois or the Ambanis or this one, all of them. All the curtains of their houses are done by that company, right? And they want to build a curtain set of franchises. We worked with somebody who was doing only railings. The company called Railingo, only railings and gates. We franchised that company. Right? Yeah,
So franchisee consultancy is not only consultancy, branding consultancy, supply chain
It's a complete
quality also.
complete.
So you do everything as a consultant. You are doing everything each and
Most companies who go through our consulting program have a 20 to 30% growth in their business and alignment of lot of things, from branding to everything. Touch every aspect of your business to be able to make it correctly franchisable. Without touching all aspects, it's not possible. Yeah, so this was a Japanese preschool. It's a wonderful school from Japan. You must, they have an amazing product. So anybody who's looking at going global can use the master franchise model for their businesses. You can operate different countries, different markets of the world using the master franchise model. It's a very interesting model to operate in different countries of the world. And then, this is a limited company, one of the largest, top 10 jewelers of India. We do a lot of jewelry work. So if you are a jeweler, you'll have to franchise sooner than later if you want to expand. Yes. Of course, you have Rajkumar in our own community matrimony service franchise. So we've built the franchise model for them.
आपने कहा फॉरेन का कर सकते हैं ग्लोबल.
Yeah.
अब मैं इंडिया में नंबर 1 इन माय प्रोडक्ट कैटेगरी, बट फॉरेन में तो मुझे 0 जानते हैं, तो भी कर सकते हैं.
If you know that मेरा प्रोडक्ट वहाँ पे चल सकता है मार्केट के अंदर और वहाँ पे पोटेंशियल है, तो आप वहाँ पे जा सकते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, मैकडॉनल्ड्स जब इंडिया में आया था, उसको 0 नॉलेज था. उसको पता नहीं था कि मैकडॉनल्ड्स इंडिया में चलेगा कि नहीं चलेगा. And then they came to India, learned about the market and then expanded. वैसे आपको भी सीख के आप अपना कोई भी मार्केट में, ग्लोबल मार्केट्स में फ्रेंचाइजिंग के काम कर सकते हो. This is a pure vegetarian burger brand based out of Jabalpur. I was there last month. This is a lot of schools and professional, all kinds of education training programs can be franchised. This is Mustafa Training, and we're saying we've done a lot of fitness franchisees, and of course this is Muthu House. No, imagine this brand is based out of a place called Mandla in Madhya Pradesh. Tier 4 town, 50,000 की population है, but वो वहाँ पे बहुत ही जबरदस्त business कर रहे हैं, and then they move to nearby towns now. We're going to build that. This is a unique locking device franchise for the cargo industry, and they wanted to reach the entire logistic industry of India. We built a franchise model. So if you're running a technology business, if you're running a software business, if you're running any kind of advanced product, advanced services, you can franchise that. This was a Ayurvedic spa that we franchised. This is a medical coding and medical transcription business. This is a financial services business. Yesterday somebody asked me about the financial services. Right? That's a dance school. All kinds of performing arts can be franchised. We spoke about Shamit Dawar. This is retailing. This is again fitness. Of course, this is another jeweler who's into lab-grown diamonds. We built a franchise model for Swaraj Jewels. We can also look at franchising your manufacturing business. Manufacturing is one of the most interesting spaces to be. India's going to be growing on manufacturing hugely, and franchising can be used. There's another brand called Signature Salon that we worked on. This is all kinds of hospitals, path labs, diagnostic centers, all kinds of doctors who are specialist doctors, orthopedic or dental clinics or eye clinics. All of these are going to be franchised in the time to come. You will see that these doctors are very good at what they do, but they're not very good at marketing. They don't get patients easily, etc., etc. So in the Western world, all of this is very, very easily franchised. This is the automotive. If you go to Amazon, is the #1 brand on Amazon for most automotive category products. And anything to do with automotive, whether it's cleaning service, whether it's repair, whether it's anything, can be franchised.
सर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में आपने कहा तो जैसे सैमसंग और एप्पल की कहानी होती, अब मेरे को मैन्युफैक्चरिंग फ्रेंचाइज देना है, तो then how to control cost my or my apparel सैमसंग में एप्पल का ब्रांड इनको कैसे
सैमसंग में एप्पल का ब्रांड है?
नहीं, जैसे एप्पल के कुछ फीचर्स थे जो सैमसंग वाज डूइंग अ जेम ड्रॉप ऑफ और समथिंग लाइक दैट.
No, so see, technology people will get inspired from. They use the word inspired from. They'll take some versions of it. They'll use some. This thing, by the time you will have a certain market share that you would have captured.
जैसे मेरा मैन्युफैक्चरिंग की यूएसपी, अब मैंने मैन्युफैक्चरिंग फ्रेंचाइज कर दी, तो मुझे तो सारा कुछ डाउनलोड करूंगा तभी वो बनाता है
उसका you can lock them with the agreements, right? Legally lock होता है वो सब कुछ. बहुत अच्छे तरीके से. We worked with 3 Chinese restaurants at one point in time. At the same time. And all the three had different managers recruiting franchisees for them. The strategy model development is something that I do personally. So, whatever knowledge I have, it's possible. Doesn't matter. और हर बिजनेस का अपना खुद का स्ट्रेंथ होता है, अपना खुद का वीकनेस होता है, अपना खुद का यूएसपी होता है. सो आपका बिजनेस आपका होगा, आपका वर्किंग आपका होगा. No, so to a certain level we are able to cover all aspects. But then, like for example, when you do fit out of stores, we will give you a lot of instructions on how the store has to be done, in terms of design, in terms of what should be the formula to work with. Like example,
मेरा नाम संजय है, मैं चेन्नई से हूँ. So our company is called MS Lights. Basically we are into lighting. So anything and everything related to lighting, let it be आपको सिर्फ एक बल्ब चाहिए, ट्यूबलाइट चाहिए या बड़े झूमर चाहिए. We are into indoor, outdoor, facade lighting, everything related to lighting. Let it be for architects, let it be for builders, या आप अभी नया घर बना रहे हैं, नया अपार्टमेंट बना रहे हैं, नया ऑफिस बना रहे हैं. Any lighting requirement that you have, you can let me know. We have our website mslights.in. My name is Sanjay, and if anyone wants my contact, they can later let me know. Thank you.
My name is Hemant Jain. I'm from Chennai. We have a travel agency based in Chennai from last 30 years. We are a one-stop travel solution. हम लोग सब कुछ करते हैं, फ्लाइट्स, वीज़ास, इंटरनेशनल टूर बुकिंग, डोमेस्टिक टूर बुकिंग्स, एंड वी हैव अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग टीम इन ईच एंड एवरी सिटी, एवरी कंट्री. हम हर कंट्री का करते हैं. अगर आपको अंटार्कटिका जाना है, आपको क्रूज़ करना है, वो भी करवा सकते हैं. एंड अगर आपको मुझे कांटेक्ट करना है लेटर आफ्टर द रेफरल मीटिंग, यू कैन टेक माय बिजनेस कार्ड एंड वी कैन कनेक्ट लेटर इन दिस. थैंक यू सो मच.
मैं चेन्नई से हूँ. मेरा फर्म का नाम है स्पेसेस. हम प्लाईवुड, वीनियर्स, लैमिनेट्स में डील करते हैं. सारे इंटीरियर प्रोडक्ट्स बेसिकली जो कारपेंटर टच करता है, वी डील इन दैट प्रोडक्ट्स. अपना यूएसपी वीनियर्स है, नेचुरल वीनियर्स, इंजीनियर वीनियर्स, स्टोन वीनियर, विकास डेकोर ब्रांड है इंजीनियर वीनियर्स का. उसके बाद सुपर स्टॉक ऑल ओवर तमिलनाडु सप्लाई करता है. My ask is to get connected to Architects Interiors based in Karnataka and Hyderabad. And my gift is if you want to get connected to steel fabricators in Chennai. Thank you.
Jai Jinendra, I'm Bharat from Ford. What we basically do is we help chain stores to scale much easily. अगर आज किसी के पास 3 to 5 outlets है, they will definitely have a goal of reaching to 100 or 150. And that is where a branding firm like us comes into play. अगर आप कोई भी डोमिनो स्टोर जाओ, हैदराबाद में हो, बैंगलोर में, दिल्ली, कहीं भी हो जाए, आपको एक्सपीरियंस वही मिलेगा, आपको पैकेजिंग वही दिखेगी, विजुअल्स वही दिखेंगे. That is the power of branding. Because हर जगह अगर आप अलग रह जाओगे, तो कस्टमर आपको याद नहीं रख पाएगा. That is where a branding firm comes in. Once again, I'm Bharat Jain from Ford Branding. Thank you.
Myself, Rahul Munot. My company name is Radiant Electricals. We are into electrical wires and cable suppliers from last 30 years in Pune and Ahmednagar. We deal top brands in India in wires, RR cables, Pinolex and KF. We also deal special types of cables required for building management and automation purpose, just like fiber optic cables and Unionine cables. Please connect in your area dealers or in purchase manager and builders or contractors or industries. Rahul Munot. My mobile number is 9822067474. नहीं होगा, बस फिर लेना ही है, फिर आना है आपके आपकी बात का मान रखना. नहीं हाँ स्टेज में मैं देखे
Just an opportunity that we can get. Video So I think we'll have many other members also join us so that we can get to know each other and it's all personal.
సరే సార్ నేను కలుద్దాం ఎల్లుండి కలుద్దాం మండే రోజు వస్తాను నేను చూపించాను ఆల్రెడీ ఆడియో అంటారు సరే
रोस्टर मिलेगा आपको
request the SCP and CP to sit in the first row and other members joining have to sit in the next row. So that we know them properly. Okay. Because अगर इनको जो एक्सपीरियंस है वो सब शेयर करेंगे तो अच्छा रहेगा अपने लिए. Okay. तो थोड़ा सा हम वैसा कर लेंगे तो बेटर रहेगा.
तो नॉन SCP and CP the next row
in the front row.
And patrons
and JV members in the next row.
Okay.
That will be better. Yeah.
Sure. Yes. We'll coordinate that way.
Yes. Better knowledge sharing होगा उससे. Please.
Members, all those who are patron members can please take the second row. FCP, CP, first row. For all the FCP members who have welcomed you all in this meeting and to participate, network and impact. Thanks so much. So guys, Jai Jitendra, my name is Manoj Kochar and I request all the members to please take your seats. We are going to start the next part of the Bagaria JVN BizConnect referral meeting happening at Jito Connect, Hyderabad. Request members to turn off the mobile or put it in silent mode and maintain the decorum of the meeting throughout the meeting. Jai Jitendra everyone, a warm welcome to today's Bagaria JVN BizConnect referral meeting. I would like to start this part of the meeting by reciting the Navkara mantra. So I request all the members to kindly remove your shoes raise and recite the Navkar Mantra in chorus. Arihantanam, Namo Siddhanam, Namo Ayaryanam, Namo Vajayanam, Namo Loe Savasahunam, Eso Panchana Mukaro, Sava Pavanasano, Mangalanam Cha Savesim, Paramam Bhavai Mangalam. Jai Jinendra. Thank you, members. Pagaria JBN is an initiative of Jito and Jito Business Network to empower the economic development of its members. Our goal is to help each other in bringing more business among the members. We have set a goal to achieve 57,006 crores of business among members in the near future. I'll come to the mathematics later. We have currently close to 90 plus referral groups in India and many more are opening soon in India and other countries. At Hyderabad Connect, let us take an oath, members. Please stand and say after me. Please raise your right hand and say after me. We are capable. We are capable. And we will connect. And we will connect. We will contribute. We will contribute. And we will together create. And we will together create. An abundant JBN. An abundant JBN. Together we will give. Together we will give. Together we will grow. Together we will grow. Fantastic. Thank you, members. Please take your seats. There could not be a better example of together we give and together we grow because of the FCP CP members who are today willingly accepting all the members in the meeting. There cannot be a better example. Thank you, members. Thank you. We will go to the next part of the meeting. Now, as I introduce you today to the Pagaria JBN leadership team, my name is Manoj Kochar and I am today's chair for the referral meeting. My role is to chair the meeting of our group today, ensuring that we follow a structured agenda developed. On my right is our referral meeting lead.
Jai Jinendra, my name is Adish Srishimal and I am the referral meeting lead for today's meeting. Along with our team, I will be judging the best dressed male business formals, best dressed female business formals and best satisfaction speech in the meeting. Thank you and over to referral meeting head.
Thank you. On my left is meeting secretary, referral meeting secretary.
Thank you, member. Jai Jinendra, myself, my name is Siddharth Mehta. I am a referral meeting secretary. I will be a time period of 30 seconds and end of the meeting I will be announcing today's statistics. Thank you. Over to the referral head.
Thank you, Siddharth ji. Secretary of Hyderabad Jito, Arvind Ji Nahar. JBN convener of Hyderabad, Ajit Ji Srishimal. JBN co-convener, Amit Ji Sancheti. And on my left, our vice chairman, JBN Apex, Mayank Ji Doshi. Now comes the exciting part, members, where I request the members to introduce one by one who they are, what they do, and what sort of customers or connect they are looking for. Members are requested to keep this introduction within 30 seconds. Members need to share the following details. I request your attention. Members need to share the following details. We will begin with the first row members.
Myself, Naresh Mota. We are architects. We specialize in government licensing. We are located at Borivali West, Mumbai. I am also vice chairman of Jito Goregaon chapter. Thank you very much.
Happy evening, everyone. My name is Vijendra. My company's name is Contact with K. We are into manufacturing of electrical panel boards. जिन लोगों को electrical panel board क्या होता है पता नहीं, आप जो रोड पे जाते हैं ट्रांसफार्मर के नीचे ग्रे कलर का जंतु है, उस जंतु को पैनल बोर्ड बोलते हैं. We manufacture that. My specific give is ICF, which is the manufacturing unit of Indian Railways. My family works in railways for last 50 years, and I don't have a specific ask, but Any infrastructure project will require my panel boards for power distribution. So if anyone has any connect with infrastructure developers, please connect with me. Once again, Vijendra from Contact Consortium, contact with K. Thank you.
And I'm a stock market consultant. Thanks a lot.
And we deals in major brands of laptop and desktops. Anybody is looking for Apple products can really ping me. You can note down my number. It's 9841336969. You can get a better deal from Amazon and Flipkart. So do ping me for all your Apple needs. And my specific gift would be defense for Chennai. Whoever is looking to supply any masks can connect me. I can connect you to the defense, and I don't have any specific ask for now. Thank you.
Serial number.
Your number. It's 9841336969. Mahesh Kochar. My firm name is Prakash Computers. Your technology partner.
Business. I am a manufacturer of luggage like this. मेरा यहाँ पर G05 and G48 ये हॉल नंबर 5 में 2 स्टॉल है. एक अमेरिकन टूरिस्टर कैमिलियन ब्रांड के लिए कैटर कर रहा है और एक अपने ओन ब्रांड्स के लिए प्रोडक्ट वहाँ पर है. तो मैं आप सभी से अनुरोध करूंगा कि आप एक बार जरूर आइए. आपके सभी बिजनेस को बढ़ाने के लिए हमारे प्रोडक्ट आपको बहुत शानदार लगेंगे. थैंक यू.
जय जिनेंद्र. मैं शांतिलाल पाफना फ्रॉम नासिक चैप्टर. मेरा फर्म का नाम है पाफना वेयरहाउसिंग प्राइवेट लिमिटेड. हम लोग रेंटल वेयरहाउसिंग एंड इंडस्ट्रियल शेड में करते हैं. वैसे C&F एजेंसीज और लॉजिस्टिक में हम लोगों का काम है नासिक और पुणे में. हमारा ये जो मेरे रिक्वायरमेंट है वो इन्वेस्टर इन और जॉइंट वेंचर में जो लैंड और इंडस्ट्रियल शेड के लिए करते हैं वैसा करते हैं. और लॉजिस्टिक और मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के लिए भी कोई पार्टनर्स होगा तो हम उसके साथ भी काम करते हैं. थैंक यू.
Jai Jinendra, this is Sanjay Lunawar. I am from Kanchan Associates. I am a FCP member from Nasik chapter. We are a manufacturer of modular office furniture. यहाँ बैठे हुए हर एक जीतो मेंबर्स अपने आप में बहुत बड़ा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन चलाते हैं. और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन चलाते तो टेबल लगती है, स्टाफ है तो टेबल लगती है. और आपका टेबल और स्टोरेजेस और चेयर्स इसके लिए आप मुझे याद कर सकते हो.
I am Vardhaman Lunkar from Nasik. I am in the field of agro products. We are doing agro products in domestic as well as in exports. I have a export firm in Sumo India that is in Mumbai. We are based in Nasik. We are importing all the fruits and vegetables also. So I welcome you all. Thank you very much.
मेरा नाम राहुल मुथा है. मैं पूना से हूँ. पूना चैप्टर JBN को कन्वीनर. मेरा काम है सब कुछ दिखता है. CCTV एंड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सेफ्टी प्रोडक्ट्स में काम करता हूँ. पूरे महाराष्ट्र में डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन का काम है. नासिक कोल्हापुर में ऑफिस है. पूना हेड ऑर्डर है जहाँ से हम लोग सर्विस AI बेस्ड कैमरास और पूरे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक चीजों के हम लोग सप्लाई करते हैं और सर्विस देते हैं. तो किसी को भी बिल्डर्स या ज्वेलर्स कोई महाराष्ट्र में कर रहे हैं तो उनको मैं कनेक्ट करना चाहता हूँ. थैंक यू वेरी मच. राहुल मुथा 9822611751.
My name is Sarika Sancheti. I am from Pune city. My firm name is Kidzone. We deal in academic textbooks, notebook and stationery to supply schools and wholesalers. We do pan-India work in Goa also. We supply Ratnagiri, Mumbai, Thane, everywhere we supply the books. My ask is Lodha Oakwood School, Mumbai. Thank you. 5664040. Thank you. Sarika Sancheti signing out.
मेरा नाम दक्षा जैन है. मेरी कंपनी का नाम है दक्षा एंटरप्राइजेस प्राइवेट लिमिटेड और मैं फर्नीचर का मैन्युफैक्चर एंड डिजाइन का काम करती हूँ. मैं यहाँ बेस पे अजीत जी, अजय जी और अमित जी को नाम लेकर मैं भी 3 चीज की डिमांड करूंगी. मैं डिजाइन करना चाहूंगी फ्लैट ऑफिस और बंगलो. मैं स्टेट्स चाहूंगी महाराष्ट्र, गोवा एंड गुजरात. सो मेरा यही रिक्वेस्ट है कि एनीबडी हु वांट्स टू कस्टमाइज एंड डिजाइन देयर फर्नीचर कैन यू कनेक्ट मी. माय नंबर इज 8007699551. 8007699551. Thank you. This is Daksha Jain, your furniture partner. My tagline is furniture that reflects your persona. Thank you very much.
RTT Energy India Private Limited from Raipur, Chhattisgarh. We deal in solar solutions. We we do solar EPC. We are presently working in 6 states in India. And backward integration, we have our fabrication unit and a galvanization unit. And we are also soon entering the manufacturing space of modules and cells. Anyone can connect me to understand the possibilities of solar in their business, how we can reduce costs. We can consult all of them for free of cost. Gaurav Jain, RBP Energy India Private Limited, Raipur. My mobile number is 9291 50555. Please connect with me if you want to install solar in your commercial or industrial spaces.
Can you repeat?
Gaurav Jain, 92291 50555.
My name is Ashok Jain. My company name is Parsho Land and Infra, Mumbai, Wallet and Chapter. My business specially near New Mumbai 3.0, airport के नजदीक में पनवेल, करजन and अलीबाग, especially agriculture and farmer land का business है. And developing plot also in पनवेल. स्पेशली एग्रीगेटेड बिजनेस करता हूँ मैं, हिरानंदानी के साथ मेरा होते रहता है, और स्पेशली स्कूल के लिए 15 से 20 एकड़ अभी भी मेरे पास जगह है पनवेल के आजू बाजू में. और मेरा आस्क है इन्वेस्टर फॉर लैंड, किसी को इन्वेस्ट करना है तो, और टीम में हिरानंदानी से कोई भी काम हो तो एक्चुअली हो सकता है. थैंक यू. अशोक जैन.
जय जिनेंद्र. इतने कम समय में सब कुछ याद नहीं रहेगा आपको. 2 बातों को सिर्फ याद करना है. जब भी आपको कंप्यूटर लेना है तो इंडिया का ओनली फर्स्ट ब्रांड जो ऑल इन वन लैपटॉप्स, डेस्कटॉप, इसमें खुद का ब्रांड हमने बनाया है जिसका नाम है अल्गो प्लस. वापिस एक बार रिपीट करता हूं, जब भी आपको लेना है कंप्यूटर, अल्गो प्लस को रखना याद. हमें ऑल ओवर इंडिया में डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स अपॉइंट करने हैं. हमारी सक्सेस स्टोरी है, 2 साल में हमने लगभग 25,000 कंप्यूटर्स इंडियन ब्रांड्स के जेम को सप्लाई किए हैं, जिसमें HP और डेल वगैरह कंपनीज को हमने कंप्लीट करके रिपीट ऑर्डर्स लिए हैं. इसलिए मैं वापिस एक बार आप सबको बोलता हूं, इंडियन ब्रांड ऑल इन वन लैपटॉप्स और डेस्कटॉप्स में हम अभी बहुत आगे बढ़ रहे हैं. इसके लिए हमें डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स ऑल ओवर इंडिया अपॉइंट करने हैं. तो जिसको भी इंटरेस्ट हो जरूर कॉन्टेक्ट करें. 932 532 1267. I am repeating 932 532 1267. ब्रांड का नाम है अल्गो प्लस. मेरा नाम है पवन भंडारी. थैंक यू.